Thank you for joining. This is a networking lab demonstration. In this video, I will briefly demonstrate a simulated network using GNS3. But what is GNS3, you may be asking? GNS3, Graphical Network Simulator 3, is a powerful open-source network simulation tool widely used by network engineers and IT professionals for designing, configuring, and testing complex network setups without needing physical hardware. It allows for the simulation of real-world network environments with virtual devices, such as routers, switches, and firewalls, making it ideal for learning, prototyping, and demonstration purposes. When setting up GNS3, users have two main options for running their network simulations: locally on their machine or with the support of a dedicated virtual machine, VM. Each option has its advantages depending on the scale and complexity of the project. Running GNS3 locally allows for a straightforward setup and leverages the host computer's resources directly. Meanwhile, using GNS3 with a VM enables more efficient resource allocation, especially beneficial for larger, more demanding network topologies. I'll be running GNS3 locally for this demonstration. Okay, I'll get started now. In this topology, there are two main networks, one of which has been subnetted into 6 subnets using a CIDR of /27. I'll focus on the subnetted networks, which is the internal network. OSPF has been configured, and all devices have been assigned an IP address that corresponds to their network. I'll simply show the ability of the end devices to communicate across the subnets of the internal network. PC1 will ping PC5. The ping is successful. PC1 will now ping PC8. Notice that both of the end devices that I've chosen to ping, PC5 and PC8, are on routers separate from PC1's gateway router. If the pings are successful, we know that routers 1, 2, and 3 are all in no shutdown mode, are properly configured, and are physically functional. Again, the ping is successful. For demonstration purposes, I'll still go ahead and have router 3 ping the inside interface of router 1. Hang on a second while I do that. The ping is successful. So as you can see, GNS3 provides a platform for network design and testing, whether run locally or with a VM. By simulating a fully functional network, it enables users to gain hands-on experience and showcase network configurations in a safe virtual environment. Well, that's it. I invite you to visit the channel and browse the playlist for similar video demonstrations. Goodbye for now.